Hi, I'm Toby from AllFreeKnitting, and today I'm going to teach you how to do a longtail cast on. So to do the longtail cast on, the first thing you're going to do is measure out the length of yarn that you'll need for your first row of stitches. For this example, I'm just going to do a swatch of 10 stitches, so we'll probably need about this much, but just to be safe, I'm going to add a couple extra stitches and make my slip knot right about here. To do the longtail cast on, all you need is one needle, so you can make your slip stitch, and that is your first stitch for your longtail cast on. The rest of your stitches will be made like this. So put the tail of yarn closest to you, and the working yarn, which is the yarn that's attached to your skein, opposite you. And then you will secure this stitch with your finger. Take your thumb and pointer finger in between these two strands of yarn, and then secure them below your fingers with your other three fingers on your hand, placing your palm facing you. Next, you will lower your needle to create an X right here next to your thumb, and with your working needle, you'll pick up this outer strand of yarn from your thumb, come over here to pick up this strand of yarn from your pointer finger, and then go back through the X around your thumb. Then be careful not to get this strand of yarn caught on the needle. Make sure your thumb sweeps it up and over the needle and back down, and then you can just tighten it like that, and that's your second stitch of your longtail cast on. So I'll show you that one more time. Just bring your thumb and pointer finger in between these two strands of yarn. Secure these stitches with your finger. Bring the needle down to create the X. Pick up this strand of yarn, pick up the strand of yarn from your pointer finger, and bring it back through and tighten. So I'll show you that one more time. Bring the needle down to create the X. Pick up this outer strand of yarn, pick up the strand of yarn from your pointer finger, bring it back through the X, and tighten with your thumb. And that's it. You just do that for as many stitches as your pattern requires. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the other ones in this playlist for our free knitting class.